Hi everyone. In today's short video, I will show you how you can check the battery health of your laptop. For that, type in the search CMD. So go to the command prompt and write a simple command here, power CFG space backslash battery report and press enter. A battery report has been generated and it has been saved on this location. So copy this path, close the terminal window, open the browser and paste that path in the URL section. Press enter and you will get the battery report. So scroll down a little bit. You can see here the two values which are important. Design capacity value is given and the full charge capacity is given. So these two values are equal. So it means that the battery health is 100%. If there is a difference in the full charge capacity value and design capacity value, then you will have to do a little bit calculation. Like you have to divide the full charge capacity value by the design capacity and multiply it by 100. So you will get the percentage health of your laptop battery.